In fact, we are learning that Swati Maliwal has made a PCR call from the Chief Minister's residence. She first made this call regarding the Chief Minister and his PA, saying that they assaulted her. The second call apparently was regarding his PA assaulting her. Swati then leaves for the police station. When the cops tell her to get an MLC, she refused and she said she will come back later.
See, Deepti, I've just got few confirmation from the top officials of Delhi Police that there were two PCR calls which were made from the Delhi CM's residence, and that was apparently from Swati Maliwal. The first PCR call was regarding her being assaulted by the CM and his personal assistant. Later to that, the second PCR call was also regarding that there was a change that the CM's personal assistant had, hit her. Later to that, she went to the police, and when the PCR reached, she was about to file the complaint. But suddenly, there were fanatic calls which were made on her mobile phone, and what top sources have been telling us that she refused to go for the MLC, stating that she's not in that kind of proper mental health, and she's not going to file a complaint. So that is something which has become very much serious. We've been trying to get an official code from the Delhi Police, but the Delhi Police sources have been denying and they have been refusing to come on record, because this is a matter which is certainly related to a member of parliament and then the Delhi Chief Minister. We have also tried to get an official code from the Delhi Police, but they have refused. But it is confirmed to the Times Network that there were two PCR calls which were made from Swati Maliwal while she was in the Delhi Chief Minister's residence, and that PCR call was regarding a physical assault. I'll tell to my viewers how this information spread. There was an information regarding Delhi Police reaching to the CM's residence, and since it's a political movement and CM Arvind Kejriwal is out on an interim bail, there were few media presence which was witnessed outside the CM's residence. Certainly, we got this information that the Delhi Police has reached, and when I checked, then we got to know that apparently there was a PCR call which was made from the Delhi, from the Member Parliament from Rajya Sabha, Swati Maliwal, who is also from the Aam Aadmi Party and who has been an active member of India Against Corruption. What we got to know through sources from the Delhi Police, that there were two PCR calls. First was regarding two people assaulting me, and the second one was having a slight change where the name of Delhi Chief Minister PS was mentioned. That means Vibhav Kumar, who has been a close associate of Arvind Kejriwal over the period of the inception of India Against Corruption. So when we started checking from the senior Delhi Police, they did not come on record. But through sources, this is what we have got to know, that there were two PCR calls when Swati Maliwal was approached by the Delhi Police to file a complaint and to get her MLC done, because this is a case of assault where the medical legal certificate need to be taken. She refused to do that. When the Delhi Police told her that, ma'am, whenever it suits you, you can come and approach the police because you're the member of parliament. She said that I'm not in the state of mind where I will take some more time to come and approach the Delhi Police. This is what has happened. Neither Swati Maliwal nor the Delhi Police has come on record regarding this particular, calls, these two calls which have been made from the Delhi CM's residence to the Delhi Police.
Okay.